Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia X30, and now I can show you top 3 best themes for your device. Okay, if you are tired of the standard appearance of your phone system, then it's time to change something. So now I will show you top 3 best themes in my humble opinion for this device. So let's get started. At the third place of my top is theme Niagara Launcher. To install it, open Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Install it. Wait a while, I need to set up my Google account. Great. So wait a while and click Open. Okay, click Agree and Continue, and cool. Here you need to select your favorite apps, for example Chrome, Phone, Messages, which maybe no, YouTube, Maps, and Calendar in my case. Click OK, and great. So as you can see, there is a really minimalistic launcher with a really minimalistic interface and with user-friendly design. If you will swipe down, you can open your notification panel. If you will swipe up, you will open the search. You can find the applications using this alphabet line. If you want to find calendar, for example, just set your finger on alphabet line and set it on See Later. So, See Later. Okay, my screen is damaged, so I can't set my finger on C. So for example, I want to find Gmail. So I just need to set my finger on G button and click Gmail. Great, Gmail is opened. Okay, and if you want to set this launcher as default, you need to open Settings, then find here Apps, and choose Default Apps. Here choose Home app and choose Niagara Launcher, and great. Now as you can see, Niagara is my default home screen app. Great. On the second place in my top, so I need to find Play Store. I don't know why. Okay, Play Store, and find here Smart Launcher 6. Not 5, but 6. Install this launcher. Click Open. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue while using allow. Confirm. Click on the cross on the right top corner and great. Here you can set it as default. And great. As you can see here we have a minimalistic interface too, but the best feature of this launcher is grouping of applications. So as you can see, if you will open App Drawer, your main menu, here you will see all your apps in groups. So all your apps will be redirected to groups by default. For example, as you can see, all my contacts apps are here, all my internet surfing apps are here, all games here, media, utilities, and settings here. You can manage groups if you will pay for it, but you can use it for free. Of course, this launcher has a search menu, and of course you can wait. Okay, and of course you can change the sorting of applications and hide apps too. So I think it's a really great launcher for you, but I have best launcher. And in my case, best launcher is Microsoft Launcher. Wait for it, click Install, and click Open. Click yes, yes, while using allow, continue, and cool. Here, as you can see, we can connect our Microsoft Launcher to Microsoft account. And if you will connect your Microsoft account, then you will be able to receive your messages and receive calls on your Windows device. So you can create mini ecosystem with your Android device and with your Windows Microsoft device. If you have Windows 10 or 11 on your laptop or personal computer, so you can create ecosystem with your Android device and with your PC. So you need to connect to Microsoft Launcher to create ecosystem, but I will not do it now. So now I just want to show how Microsoft Launcher looks. So for example, here you need to add your favorite apps, Files, Firefox, Gmail, Google. Okay, click Let's Go, set as default. Here choose Microsoft Launcher and great. Now it's our default launcher. So great. This launcher can be configured the way you want. You can change anything you don't like and customize. All icon packs are supported by this launcher, so you can change icons, you can change the color accent and even the widget bar. I will show you, wait a while. So open launcher setup, and as you can see here we can change themes, home screen, dock, app drawer, gestures. We can use gestures here. Oh, wait a while. We can change gestures here, and here we have a lot of gestures to set up. We can use 2 fingers, swipe down, 2 fingers, swipe up, swipe down, swipe up, home screen button from home screen. Oh my gosh. Here we have a lot of functions to set up. And this is very stable launcher to use. It's not buggy. It's really smooth. So I love this launcher. You can back up your launcher data and use this data on another device, another Android device with this launcher. So you can set up synchronization between 2 devices, and it's really good works. Here we have widgets panel. I really love this feature because in standard launcher we can enable Google Now, Google Meet, not Google Meets, Google News. Okay, so but here we can use News, but we can use Glance panel. In Glance we can set up widgets. By default, here we have all Microsoft widgets, but if you don't like Microsoft widgets and if you don't use Microsoft applications, you can hide all Microsoft widgets and you can add your widgets from your applications. For example, if you use Google Calendar, just create Google Calendar widget. It works, but it needs to reload. Okay, as you can see, Google Calendar works. Here we can add Firefox widget, Gmail, Keep Notes, all widgets you have on your device you can add to Glance panel, and it's really handy. Okay, and of course here we have our app drawer. We can set up it in the way you want. Here we have hiding apps. We can hide apps if you don't want to show different applications in main menu. You can hide it here and block with password. You can use 2 lines of favorite applications. For example, all your application could be here or here, but here you can have 2 lines of your favorite apps, and it's really handy. Okay, so I think this is the best launcher, and of course you can change your wallpaper if your wallpapers is bored you, so you can change it on any time. For example, wait for it. I have poor internet access, but okay. As you can see, wallpapers was changed. And beautiful Microsoft account has wallpapers from Bing, and Bing, as you know, has beautiful wallpapers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and write in comments what launcher do you love. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.